So on your Android, you have an advertising ID. Think of it like an ID for your phone. It's being used to track all your online activity, to keep all that data in one place. Apps then use that data to give you personalized ads. Now here's what you can do to stop this. Go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy, and scroll all the way down and tap on Ads. And here you can reset your advertising ID. You can delete it to stop it being used completely, or you can, as you can see here, enable debug logging for ads. This is what lets apps use your advertising ID. If you have this turned off, like I do here, this stops apps from using your data. You can also reset it so the advertising ID kind of has to relearn all your web activity from here on. If you delete it, obviously it's just going to be gone. If you learned something out of this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to find out all the websites that have your email stored and might potentially be selling it to advertising companies, then watch this video here. It will tell you how you can request your email back so they don't potentially sell it to advertisers.